Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're building a sleek and responsive profile card UI using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's dive right in. We start by wrapping everything inside a main container. Inside the container, we create a profile section. Next, we add an avatar section, and inside it, we place an image. Then we open the info section. Inside the name block, we use an H1 heading to display the name. On the right side of the name, we have a span that contains another material icon favorite border. This might represent a like or follow interaction, and we'll style it to look clickable later. Below the name, we have a simple paragraph tag with a job title or role. This gives more context about the user. After the profile section, we have a new div with the class contact. This holds a row of icons for different interaction options. The first icon is for video calling. Then we add 4 more icons. Call for a phone call, chat for direct messaging, forum for discussions or threads, and paid, which might represent tipping, sending money, or booking services. These are all wrapped in anchor tags for clickable interaction. We're ready to move on to the fun part, styling this layout with CSS to make it look polished and modern. We begin with a CSS reset using the universal selector asterisk. This removes default margin and padding from all elements, sets consistent box sizing, and defines a simple readable font stack. The body has a dark vertical gradient background that gives the entire UI a moody, professional feel. We also use flexbox to center everything perfectly, both vertically and horizontally, inside the viewport. This is the card's outer box. It has a black background, a soft glow using box shadow. The 700 pixel width makes it nicely spacious on desktop screens. And a big 40 pixel border radius for a rounded appearance. This ensures all images inside the card, like the avatar, scale correctly and don't get stretched. The name heading is big and bold with a soft white color. The icon next to the name, like verified, has a soft pink hue to highlight it visually. The job title or description below the name has a subtle gray tone with bold font and good line spacing for readability. The profile block is where the avatar and user info sit side by side. It has a smooth, vertical gradient, a dark border, and flexbox layout to align the avatar and info horizontally. The avatar image is placed inside a perfectly sized container with a light border and rounded corners. The overflow hidden keeps the image cropped neatly within the shape. The info section expands to take up all available space next to the avatar. The name and heart icons share a horizontal row thanks to flexbox. Justify content space between pushes the name to the left and the icon to the right. The heart icon is placed inside a circular button with light border styling. The icon inside the circle inherits the light color and is slightly larger for visibility. The rating section uses flexbox to align the star icon and rating text. The icon stands out in orange, with bold styling to catch the user's eye. The row of contact icons has spacing on top and uses flexbox again to evenly distribute each icon. Each icon is placed inside a rounded rectangle with a dark gradient and subtle inner shadows, giving it a pressed button look. The icons themselves are large and visible, making the UI look bold and touch-friendly. When an icon is active, it gets a bright pink background with soft glow-like shadows, indicating it's selected. So in the final part of this tutorial, we'll add a small JavaScript snippet to allow live icon switching when the user clicks on them. We first grab all anchor elements inside the .contact div using query selector all. We loop through each item using for each. For each icon, we add a click event listener, so whenever a user clicks on one of them, we first remove the active class from all icons to reset the state. Then, we add the active class only to the clicked icon. This will help us visually show which icon is selected. We'll style that in CSS. And that's it. We've successfully built this clean and interactive profile section from scratch using just HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. If you followed along and built this with me, great job! You've just practiced some key front-end skills: layout building, styling, and DOM manipulation. Remember, small projects like this are perfect for sharpening your skills and building your portfolio. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more web development tutorials, drop a comment if you have questions or want more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.